baseball, or triple threes baseball. Tier 1 baseball. We chose to pick our 6 boxes from case number 2. Alright. Which 6 should we do? Left 6, right 6, odd, evens? Any thoughts? Left, right, odd, or evens? Eric, we do, yes. Looks like we'll do to the left. Yes, we had a Daddy Addy decided to bow out. So we've got a 1 for Threads football. Alright, Tier 1 baseball, guys. Good luck. It's been a little bit since we've done Tier 1 baseball. Tier 1 baseball, guys. Good luck. A thick card. Oh, that's sick. We're going to hold that one right there. We're going to do box 1 last. We'll do box 1 last. We'll give you a little teaser, though. It's really, really thick. Don't want to zoom in at all. Really thick. It's really thick. It's not Hank Aaron, but it is a Hall of Famer. Yeah, hit number 1's $3.99. $3.99. Got Tommy Malone for the A's. Tommy Malone for the A's. It is a bat knob. You are correct. We did hit a bat knob. Got $2.99 Rockies Dexter Fowler. Dexter Fowler. Dexter Fowler out of $2.99. Dexter Fowler. I think he's still alive. Pretty sure he's still alive. Got $3.99 Padres. Don't quote me to it though. Yasmani Grandal. It's a retired player. Got $3.99 Yasmani Grandal for the Padres. So now we've hit two bat knobs total in Tier 1. We hit the autographed bat knob redemption of Al Kaline earlier. But this is the first live bat knob I think we've hit. Got out of 25. This is a pretty good one too. Out of 25 for the Oakland A's, Yoenis Cespedes. Yoenis Cespedes out of 25 for the Oakland A's. Yoenis, numbered 18 to 25. 18 to 25. Yoenis Cespedes, Oakland A's. So you guys have not guessed it yet. Got $2.99. Got Iwakuma. Iwakuma. Tier 1 or 5-star? I would say 5-star. Got Iwakuma, $2.99. Got a bat piece out of $3.99. Tigers, Al Kaline. Detroit Tigers, Al Kaline. So I need to look to see who got them. See if they're in the room or not. Box number 4. Then we'll go back to box 1. Yeah, I'd say 5-star too. Got out of $3.99. It is 5 stars a lot better this year. Got $3.99. Jerry's Familia, Mets. Jerry's Familia for the Mets. Got out of 99. $99. Jay Bruce for the Reds. Jay Bruce, Cincinnati Reds. So I don't think we've got, nope, we haven't gotten this team yet either. Got out of $3.99, Kansas City Royals, Eric Hosmer. Kansas City Royals. Hosmer for the Royals. Some people think I'm going to have a really big year this year. Eric Hosmer. Like a redemption in this one. Got a clear reprint rookie autos. Turned into be a pretty darn good case. Or half a case. Got a $2.99 Todd Frazier. Cincinnati Reds. Cincinnati Reds. Todd Frazier. Got a clear reprint rookie auto. Rays. Evan Longoria. Tampa Bay Rays. Clear reprint rookie auto. Evan Longoria. Tampa Bay Rays. And a jersey out of $3.99 of Cincinnati Reds, Johnny Cueto. Did you have the Rays? Johnny Cueto for the Reds. Box 6. Then we'll go back to box 1. Got Diamondbacks out of 99. We've gotten a lot of this guy lately, especially in 5-star. Seems like we get this guy's auto in every case. Got Paul Goldschmidt. Paul Goldschmidt for the Diamondbacks out of 99. So the Mariners have been really few and far between in a lot of this Tier 1 stuff. Got $2.99 Jimmy Abbott for the Yankees. Jimmy Abbott for the Yankees. Out of $2.99, I gotta get some more pieces. Jim Abbott for the Yankees. So we still have not called out our bat knob yet. Get out of $3.99. Dodgers, Adrian Gonzalez. Adrian Gonzalez for the Dodgers. Got $1.99 going to the Yanks. Got Michael Pineda. Michael Pineda for the Yankees. $1.99. And we got Detroit Tigers out of $1.99. Detroit Tigers, $1.99. Cecil Fielder. Big Cecil. Detroit Tigers. $1.99. Let's see here. I don't think Wally Joyner's in the Hall of Fame, is he? If he is, he shouldn't be. Alright, I'm going to look to see if this person's in the room. Let's see. They are not, I don't think. I don't think they are. So I'm not sure it's going to, hopefully it'll fit in one of the big cases. Oh, it does, too. Got a 101 bat knob. Nice, 101 bat knob. Going to the Baltimore Orioles of Brooks Robinson. 101 bat knob. Brooks Robinson. Baltimore Orioles. So you can't go wrong with that one. Baltimore Orioles. Nice little 101 Brooks Robinson bat knob. That's a good way to end our Tier 1 baseball tonight. Brooks Robinson bat knob. Cannot go wrong with that one.